Hwy, why we hope you choose Angel Water. Okay, Angel Water has been around for 50 years. So whether it's Southeast Florida or Chicagoland, we really understand the water and we're really passionate and we love water. Why? Because water makes you and your family more healthy. We know that it's intrinsic to human health to actually have great water. So at Angel, we have become a water company that services almost every water filter that's manufactured in the world. Whether it's a Chinese product that's made in China, which is inexpensive, or you look at the American-made products that have certifications through an independent, non-for-profit that proves to you that it actually works, we can do the gamut on water filtration for you and your family. Now, our passion about making your family more healthy is just number one. Number two, we're passionate about saving you money. How do we do that? It's pretty simple. When we properly filter the water, we're taking the stuff out of the water that makes you buy bottled water or makes you buy more cleaning supplies or makes you clean more often. So we are passionate about walking you through how water is not only intrinsic to human health, because you are 70% water, your brain's 95% water. Not only is the water important from your health perspective, but it's also important from your home perspective. So that's where we come in. And by the way, you can see that we are a licensed plumbing company in the state of Illinois. In Illinois, you must be a licensed plumbing company to touch the water supply. So you can be rest assured that we've got the right certifications and insurance to take care of you and your family. So we hope if you decide to get on the path of making your family more healthy, you reach out to us here at Angel Water. You can reach us at angelwater.com. You could call us at 847-382-7800. And lastly, as you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.